Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Daughter Tyra here, back at you again with another video. Okay. Oh my goodness. I know it's been a minute. It's been a minute and you have my apologies, okay? But y'all know how I love to thank you all before I get started. Thank you so much to all of you who have subscribed to the channel, liked the videos, comment on the videos. I mean, we're at 1K right now. I'm like, what? And I ain't been here for a minute. And I love y'all so much for just supporting me. You don't even know. Thank you. Okay? Spirit has just blessed me with something so beautiful, this wonderful opportunity that I had to give it my undivided attention, and it still needs my attention. I just caught this window, so to speak, and like, wow, I'm totally shocked. So I'm like, let me come out, let me do a video for y'all, let y'all know I'm still here, tell y'all that I love you. I thank you so much. You know what I'm saying? I don't care what's going on out there in the world. That has nothing to do with me and what's going on. Whatever's going on in your life, push through it. Go with the process. Don't try to fight it. Whoever is not supporting you, I always tell y'all, dead them, cut them, okay? Get rid of them. You get me? Just get rid of them. Keep doing you. That's how I got to be where I am today, right now. And like I said, with this awesome opportunity that I've been given, I'm not going to be able to get into all the details because it's still in the beginning stages, you know. And, you know, you got haters out there, big levels, big devils, new devils. And that's real. So, yeah. I have to keep that a little bit under wraps for now, but it's just an awesome opportunity, and I'm able to just spread my wings and be me and do me, and it's just beautiful. But again, I want to say thank you to all of y'all. Keep your head up, be strong through all this craziness that's going on, and don't let anything stop you. Don't let anything get in your way. You know I got you. Come to me, talk to me. I got you. I don't want to keep this too long because I don't even know how much room I have on my phone right now. But I did want to come through and say hello to you guys. I love you all so much. And trust me, I have a plethora of videos that I'm going to be pumping out for y'all, all right? So thank you all so much. Oh, and my birthday was a couple of weeks ago, May 26th. Wow. Amazing. Totally amazing. I didn't really get to celebrate like I wanted to, but it was cool. It was all right. But I just want to keep y'all with keeping your head up. Be strong. Don't let nothing stop you. Don't let nothing get in your way. Trust the ancestors. Be at your ancestor altar. Connect with your archangels, whoever it is, whatever energies you deal with. Always stay connected with them, okay? Because they got you. They got you. I love you all so much. Take care. Have a good one. Be blessed.